In the past few days, we have seen a defiant Comrade Geza coming out to actually give further instructions on the people of Zimbabwe and instructing them kuti musi 31 munhu wese muroad. And this was in defiance of Mnangagwa's threats and orders right here.
We will not stop our development plans and programs because of the noise from some little boys. They will continue making that noise, but we shall continue to move on. But I warn anybody who may want to be nonsensical and bring chaos in this country, we are ready for any chaos, to deal with any chaos. Whoever who preach hate speech shall be responsible for their hate speech. Our prisons are not full. We want peace, we want unity. Those who do not disagree with that, do so quietly and peacefully. Then, tichafamba tose murugare nokuwirirana. Asi ukaita mhesva mukono tinokuveza.
So this is what he said, Emerson. And you know, that he was warning anybody who would want to oppose ZANU-PF. And when you look at this statement itself, he talked about disagreeing with ZANU-PF quietly and peacefully. How do you disagree quietly? How do you disagree with ZANU-PF quietly with the things which are happening in the nation? Because when you disagree with ZANU-PF, you have to say it out. You have to spell it out. So by trying to create a country where people are not allowed to talk, where people, if you talk, you get abducted, beaten, arrested, it becomes a problem.